Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to share with you a t-shirt niche that has the potential to become the #1 best-selling niche by this Sunday when I do the next top 5 niches of the week video. Now, it was completely off of my radar less than a week ago when we just did the previous episode, and when things kind of skyrocket to the front of the line in terms of sales really quickly, you never know how far it's going to go. All right, so in this video, I'm going to share with you what that niche is. We're going to look at just how quickly and rapidly it has ascended, and I'll even spoil it for you. The #1 bestseller in this niche currently has a BSR of 12,000, and just less than 2 weeks ago, at the end of July, it had a BSR of over 2 million. So we don't know where this is going to go, but I know that this is a niche you might want to be in, especially if you're in the low Amazon merch tiers where you have to make all of those upload slots count. This is a prime candidate for you to even go maybe all in on. When you're in tier 10, you can be flexible. You can delete your previous ones that haven't sold and just upload the biggest trending designs. And when something comes really quickly out of nowhere, that tends to, sometimes mean there's less competition. So let's get right to it. Real quick reminder, I've got some free resources for you, all linked at the top of the description. I've got a free weekly print-on-demand giveaway. 2 winners will be randomly selected and announced on Sunday. I've got a free 8-day print-on-demand mini course delivered to you via email, 1 lesson a day. And I've got a great print-on-demand Facebook group that I'd love to have you in. So I'm here looking at Pretty Merch Pro Plus. This is my research tool of choice. You guys already know that if you watch my Sunday video series, Top 5 Niches of the Week. And I'm just coming, doing what I do, looking, evaluating the niches, and what do you know? There's a new entry into the top 10, even the top 5. What do you know? You see it over here. I'm trying to do the backwards point, not the T-Rex shirt. I don't know. I can't do the backwards green screen point because left is right, up is down. I don't know. But Tummy Ache Survivor, and it has no reviews, but it has a 13,000 BSR. Okay, no reviews, 13,000 BSR. What is this? When I see something like this that wasn't there recently, or if I saw it, I must have scrolled right past it. I don't recall seeing it when I was preparing for Sunday's video. I'm intrigued. That's how you pique my interest. So the first thing I do is I go to Google Trends and I type in Tummy Ache Survivor just to see if this is like something that's piqued in interest before. So by default, we see the past 12 months. Let's go past 5 years. Nope, it doesn't really look like anything stands out, but I will say Google Trends does project it to basically peak in interest right now. You see that dashed line kind of doing a projection. It's saying, hey, this is trending. Something's up right here. So, okay. All right. I'm interested. Then we can go to the actual listing on Amazon, and you'll notice something that also has me thinking, well, I might want to be in this niche. It says Tummy Ache Survivor, #1 best seller in girls novelty t-shirts. All right, and if you have the Helium 10 Chrome extension, which, by the way, you can just get the free one and not even have to put a credit card on file, and I can link to that in the description for you as well, you'll notice that the BSR is currently 13,000, and it has been extremely low as 8,000, as low as 7,000 just 2 days ago, okay? So as low as 7,000 just 2 days ago, and it looks like they actually had the price at $13.07 from the time this shirt was uploaded, which was roughly on July 19th. So it's still a pretty new shirt. They kept the price at $13.07, and then when the BSR was down at like 8,000, they upped it to $15.89, where it remains today. And you can see all this from the Helium 10 Chrome extension behind me. And again, you can grab this for free. Once it's installed, you log in, just refresh the page and you'll see it. The blue line represents the BSR. The BSR was as high as 2.2 million on July 28th. And as I record this today on August 11th, it is 13,300. So I don't know if this niche is just going to die off right after I publish this video, but because I can't predict the future, guys, but when you see something like this, it needs to just kind of be on your radar. You need to act on it if you're interested in chasing trends. I don't do that much of trend chasing with my account, but I've said before, it's because if I just do random evergreens that make me 1 sale a year, I feel like I'm keeping my account as safe as possible. I know that's kind of silly, but me being on YouTube and stuff like that, I definitely want to have my merch account. So just keeping it maximum safeness. Speaking of that, why don't we do a quick trademark search? So tmsearch.uspto.gov. And what do we type in? Just stomach ache survivor, right? I think that's the primary keywords. tummy ache survivor. Okay, we'll just copy paste, make sure it's safe. All right, and the reason I did it straight to the USPTO, just to be double sure, I actually, before I started recording this, used the Pretty Merch Pro Plus trademark search, which is just one click away from the trend finder, which is the default view. And you can type in tummy ache survivor, no results. Okay, maybe I remove the word survivor. No results. Okay, so we're good to go in terms of not trademarked. Perfect. Next thing, if we publish this shirt, we might want to run some ads and kind of jump ahead of anybody that's already published before us. Actually, no, you know what else we want to do? Sorry, is come to the research tool in Pretty Merch Pro Plus. Just type in, sorry, not trademark search, but tummy ache survivor. All right, and go to grid view and let's look at some of the existing designs, because it's one thing to have one shirt that's ranked really well, but if it's one shirt doing really well and not a bunch of other shirts in that niche, it could be indicative of somebody that published the shirt just driving a bunch of offline traffic, off Amazon traffic directly to that niche, which wouldn't benefit us to be in that niche then. So let's expand the scope. Well, what do we see? Okay, BSR of second bestseller, 27,000. That's really good. Third bestseller, 65,000. All right, I'll take that for sure. Third bestseller, or sorry, fourth, 188,000. Fifth, 240,000. Sixth, 250,000. And I'll bet you and look, this person even already got the kind of like bendy vintage 60s, 70s style text, and they did the tummy ache survivor design there as well. Guys, I don't know what this is indicative of, if this is just going to come and go or if it's going to be with us for a while. In the past, we've seen a mix of both, all right? Unless you have a crystal ball and you can project the future, then I'm just going to go ahead and say right now this appears to be an emerging trend that would not surprise me if it was hanging around for a while. I don't know why it's trending, by the way. I feel like I always say that, but it's like I'll go looking for it. Like I went to Google, typed in tummy ache survivor, and I don't really get any answers. We have a bunch of just t-shirts. It's basically just a t-shirt niche. Oh wait, never mind. Is this it? TikTok? Let's check it out. All right, I watched the TikTok. It was like 7 seconds long. It was not it for sure. And I don't know if it's going to be like, you know, any issues with YouTube audio. So I just edited it out. But that was not it for sure. So what is it then? I don't know. I don't really have any answers. I did notice though, so this guy, Shithead Steve, I try not to curse on this channel, but Shithead Steve is his website. And I noticed he's running an ad to his Tummy Ache Survivor t-shirt while this thing is trending like crazy. And I don't know who this is. I don't know what website this is. I thought maybe it would be Steve-O from Jackass, but because it does kind of look like him, but I don't think it's actually his website. So yeah, I don't know what this website is, but you got to give them props because they're running an ad to this t-shirt like basically out of the blue, or maybe it's all the time. I don't know. But this is definitely like if you have the ability to kind of set up, like turn on and off ads, and you'll notice again, like there's only one ad spot here. Normally there's like 2, 3, 4, right? And he's got basically the only one. Of course, there's the Google Shopping ads up top where you get like Etsy, Redbubble, etc. But the search ads, I don't know exactly what to call them. Not as well versed in Google ads, but yeah, so this is like probably extremely profitable for this website, for Steve's website. So shout out to them for getting out ahead of this. Again, opportunities knocking and some people are answering the call. If you're agile, you're doing your research, you're acting quickly and churning out designs, and then you have your own website in addition to Amazon and you run an ad, I'll bet you he's making quite a bit of money. And you can actually see here behind me too, the Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension, which again, you can grab for free, showing a massive spike on this Tummy Ache Survivor global trend. Now, I wanted to also really quickly show you that you can go to your Amazon ads and you can go ahead and type in, you know, Tummy Ache Survivor, and it will do like an autocomplete, which is weird because it'll do the autocomplete like Tummy Ache Survivor shirt. Then I click add keywords and it says it does not have a suggested bid. But if it did have a suggested bid, then at a glance, we could at least see a quick projection of how much we would need to pay in order to advertise on Amazon, get the additional visibility, the additional clicks that hopefully leads to additional sales. So this should all be like standard practice on your mind. It's really not that much work. I promise, like the first time you're doing it, it's like, oh no, it's all these things, you know, take notes if you have to. But once you've done it a couple times, it's like standard practice. All right. And again, I really wanted to shout out this website because they're the only person that I can tell running an, you know, what do I call this? Like an in-search ad outside of Google Shopping ad. So they're doing really well, I'm sure. And that's, I think, it for this video, guys. So check out this niche. Let me know your thoughts. If you know the origin of it, why it's trending, let me know in the comments below. And other than that, guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.